Hello folks, it's Jude. Today I'm going to be putting together a new cat cardboard house with a scratching pad that we bought for Violet. This one here is by the ASPCA and it's going to be a cute little cottage. I always buy these for Violet and I find them so much fun to put together. This house had 8 pieces total and instructions to put it together. Now it's time to build it. Now for the final piece, the chimney. Look at how cute this house is. Of course, it isn't complete until the catnip is added. And here comes Violet to check it out. And Pinky as well. She's scratching away in there. She's loving the catnip. As you can see, she's made herself right at home. This cat house was very easy for me to put together. I hope that if you buy one for your feline friend, they're enjoying it as much as Violet is. Have a good day, folks.